This is what we're doing today. Oh.
Shatter the whole 240, this is gonna fall all apart.
So my car has a pretty terrible sound system and it sounds like crap. Everything is flat. So luckily our one friend bought a car. It came with 2 subs. He gave me one of them. My other friend gave me an amp. So this is gonna be a pretty relatively cheap install. We're gonna test it first. And Tyler's car is already wired up and hooked up and whatever for a sub. So we're going to unplug Tyler's current sub, plug this one in. We'll be able to see if it works. And then if it doesn't, fuck it, I don't care. It was free. Yeah! It works! Here's the amp. What else do we need?
Peace up, A-Town down.
Yeah! RCA, obviously to connect the head unit to the amp.
Okay,
and
what are these? What are these?
And don't worry about those.
What about these?
That's just to connect the speakers. So you just run the wire through that. That's it. Really easy.
All right. Patrick.
So fucking late for class.
Have fun at class, son. Where you going? You went the wrong way. To the auto parts store. Yeah. All right, we decided to go with the amplifier kit. We got it from Walmart. It was pretty cheap, like around 20 something bucks. Right now, we're just gonna run the remote wire.
Remote wire and the RCA got to go in the back of the head unit. Those just run back here into the amp. We got a power cord. Power cord goes from amp to battery with an inline fuse, which is already in there, which is real nice. We don't have to deal with any of that. And then the ground, that should be it.
And then we're gonna be bumping.
And then we're gonna be like, yeah, like that.
Go right here. If you have a 240SX, you're just gonna give that a quick yank. Boom. Exposes these 4. Right. And just like that, whole head unit's out. Wow, and I forgot that it's all.
Twist here, RCA goes here. That's it.
Is this actually it?
Yeah.
I mean, it says
remote
control.
Yeah, that's it.
It cannot be that easy.
Yeah, it is.
Here's everything just to make sure it works. Again, just to make sure it works.
It's gonna burst into flames.
All right, so we now have everything hooked up just for a quick mock-up, and we played around with the equalizer and
Hit the rodeo! Yeah!
now that everything is nice and like we know that it works, we're going to now clean everything else up. So we're gonna clean up these connections that we have.
Oh yeah,
Took everything away using the body panels.
Look at those. Oh, that's nice.
Center console, throw it in, put it in the back, make everything nice and clean because we don't want it to look like Tyler's MR2.
No. You know what? You're right.
Here's the sub completely done. It's nice and wired up. Wires are nice and hidden around. There you go. Ooh, ooh, look at the sound. Look, we got the same trunk space as now the MR2 and the S2000, except I'm not really too worried about the space because I still have the back seat, so I can throw all my stuff back there now. But yeah, the back seats, man. In here looks exactly as it did, except for right there. You can see that right there. I didn't want to cut into the carpet or anything or do anything too extensive, but That's how you install a sub in a 240. It bumps, obviously. Quick day's work. The battery, having it in the back, definitely made it a little easier on us because we wouldn't have to.
You didn't have to like run it through the front hood or anything.
Yeah.
Like,
So that was quick and easy, but other than that, kit was 25 bucks. The sub was free. Thank you, Chris Acuna. The amp was free. Thank you, Mike. Killing it. Until next time, peace out. Like, comment, and subscribe. Later, guys.
yeah.